Hello, welcome to my channel Sewing at Home Mom. In today's sewing tutorial you can learn how to repair holes in clothes. To fix the hole in wool coat, I have to access the hole from inside, and to do so I'm going to open up the lining at the seam line and grab the area where the hole is located. Pull it out through the opening, and now I can see that there wasn't enough of fabric allowance left. Next, I have to break the existing seam by unpicking a few stitches on one side of the hole and on the other one. Pull any left thread out, open up the hole, and align the fabrics evenly. Pin them together temporarily with pins. Next, double check and adjust the seam allowance if necessary. To secure the stitch from ripping it out, again, I am going to use the interfacing. The hole showed up because some of the fabric allowance was missing and I don't want this to repeat. So I cut slim piece about 20 centimeters long of interfacing, and I'm going to apply it to the fabric with the adhesive touching the fabric. So next I am going to iron press the area. And if you're interested in the sewing items that I use, I will drop a link in the description below so you can check them out. Maybe you can find something that you like. I'm using my sleeve pressing board to do this job because it's light and it's very handy. Make sure the interfacing sticks nicely to the fabric. This step is very important, so do not skip it. It's gotta be perfectly glued. So after the interfacing is nicely glued to the fabric, move the coat to the sewing machine for the straight stitch, and remember to secure the stitch at the beginning of the sewing by reversing the stitching back and then sewing straight stitch and secure it again at the end of the stitch. Clip off any extra loose threads. Double check the seam at the right side of the coat. If it looks perfect, sew the lining up, and I am done with this repair. Again, I think it looks perfect. It's an amazing job. I can't even tell that the coat had such a big rip. And that is it. That's the repair for the hole, for that split seams. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe button, by liking this video,